Here's how you use a mullet rig. You tie the mullet rig to your main line. You don't need any swivels there. The hook at the end is removable. You just remove the hook. So you got your flotation, your wire. Now you get your fresh mullet and put the wire through the mouth of the mullet. Push it all the way through and it'll come out the anus. Here's the wire. Once you got the wire through the mullet, you put the hook back on. Okay, once you got the hook back on, you're just going to pull the mullet back and set one of them hooks in the fish. Like that. That's your mullet rig. Catch blues, stripers, whatever else is out there.